Jackie, you have to put the lids on these.
Mommy, I need help.
What are you doing here? You do it.
You do it.
Yeah. What are you
Yes,
doing?
you can.
What is that?
A battery.
What kind of battery?
A battery.
Put it in there. You can do it.
Easy, easy.
Load it first.
What are you doing? No, 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 no.
Put it in there. You know how. Put it like Mommy puts the battery in the car.
Come
Put
on.
it in there.
But it's very heavy. All right, well, you can do it. Easy. No, you can do it.
In there. You can do it.
Mine is rolling.
No,
don't roll it.
Why?
Put it in there. Daddy, I need help.
Hurry, put it in there. I'm right here. You got it. Do it.
Do it. You can do it. Yes, you can.
Okay, Reese, do it.
Do it.
Do it or Reese is going to do it.
Come on.
Okay, the horn works. Get off of it. Where's your pants at? Carry it by the handle.
Micah, no.
There you go.
Inside out.
Get it. You almost got it. Reese, move your head. See?
Teamwork.
Watch it.
I need help. Inside out. You had it a second ago. Come on, you can do it.
Yeah. Wait.
No. That goes in there.
What? This goes in there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
All right, you still gotta put the pole in.